So once you purchase your AncestryDNA kit, they're going to mail you pretty much this box right here. If you haven't purchased your DNA kit yet, definitely check out my Amazon link in the comment section. Sometimes you can actually catch these on a huge sale. So inside of this DNA activation kit box, it's going to have everything you need, give your sample, and mail back the sample to their lab. So inside the box you have a collection tube, funnel, and stabilizing fluid for your saliva sample, along with what you need to register and mail back that sample to their lab. So what we want to do first is activate the kit. In order to do that, we need to go to the website. We need to go to AncestryDNA.com/activate. And if you don't have an account with AncestryDNA, you're going to have to set up an account. After you log in, you will see this screen right here pop up. So it says basically welcome, and then who are you registering this kit for? If it's for yourself, then click on yourself. If it's for a minor, child, click on that, someone else, someone else. All right, so for me, it will be myself. Next, what we have to do is go through these steps. Link the kit, which is basically giving the information that's on that tube. There's a number or a series of numbers and letters on that tube that's in your kit. That's going to allow you to link yourself to that kit so that when you send the kit off, you basically be able to track it, track the status of it. Also, the lab will be able to know who this kit is from. So that's very important that you do this step before you actually send it off. So next, you're going to grab that tube, and then you're going to spit into that tube until your saliva reaches that wavy black line. I kind of already did the first two steps before recording. And then once you do that, next you're going to take that cap that's in the box and you're going to screw that cap on. When you screw it on, you're going to release that fluid. Once the blue fluid is inside, make sure you shake that tube for like 5 seconds so that it can mix in with your saliva. Next, only thing you got to do is grab that clear collection bag and put that tube inside of that collection bag. Seal it up. Now you're going to grab the collection bag with the tube inside and place it back in the white box that it came from. So if you look at the white box, it's going to have a label, a mailing label on the bottom, and on the side it's going to have pretty much a seal that allows you to peel back and stick it onto the box so that you can mail it off. So you won't have to worry about having to pay for it to be mailed back out. That's free. Next, you're going to take that box to mail it off. In my case, I mailed it through UPS. So, all right. Make sure they can see the barcode so they can scan it in. Sorry.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. And they're going to scan it and give you a tracking number, and you're good to go. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
When I mailed mine off, it took literally a month, like 30 days. So the company did say it could take up to 6 weeks. So for me to get the results in 4 weeks, I'm not complaining. Just let you know that was my time frame. If you got value out this video, show some love and smash the like, subscribe, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.